All right, we're on hole number 17 of the weekend round of the Voyager tournament. And we are in 8th place right now. I don't normally like to go up and see what I have to go against. I like to play my game and just see where I end up. I don't like to put a lot of pressure on myself by looking up there and seeing what somebody has and then trying to change my game or do it. I like to play my round and see where it goes. So we're on hole number 17. And this hole here, we are absolutely going for it. We're going to use our Saturn and backspin it and try and backspin it into the hole. So I've got a Saturn here because we're getting headwind on this, so I'm going to do a little bit bigger pull than normal. The Saturn's a 1.9 per ring. I'm doing a 1.7. And I'm going to use a mummy ball because I'm trying to knock down some of that wind. So we're using our Saturn. And we're going to use a mummy ball because we need the 3 power in order to get us up on the green so that we can do this shot. Sometimes a 2 power ball will work if the wind is low enough. But we don't want to take any risks, and we're going to do the 4 power here. Let's see if we have a 2 power ball we could switch to if the wind is low enough. I think the hat trick is a 2 power 4 wind. So if the wind is in the ones, we could possibly switch to a hat trick ball. We're doing 1.7 per ring at max. That's a 10% adjustment. I'm going to start off with the mummy ball, see what the wind looks like. Now this is a very risky shot. We are risking our entire round right here at the end, because if we miss this shot, we could end up backspinning ourselves all the way back to the sand. And we want to start off about 1 grid behind the hole. Alright, here we go. Hole number 17. We need to get a hole in one. We need to pick up one more shot. Right now we're shooting at 27. Our goal was 30. And we haven't made any mistakes, but we haven't capitalized. And we've put ourselves in a position on every hole to make that next shot. We just haven't capitalized on it. So we're at 2.5 here. So I'm going to stick with the mummy ball. We're going to do maximum backspin. We're going to want to be about 1 grid back from the hole. I don't normally like to set up right on that fringe area. And we're going to do 1.7, so that puts us at 9, so we're just about a ring and a half. And we have to hit perfect here. Hitting perfect. We gave ourselves a shot at it. Bam, bam. And just a little bit to the left. The ball has been being thrown a little bit to the right. That's why I started off a little to the left. So once again, we gave ourselves a shot at it, but we didn't capitalize on it. So our only hope now is to get an albatross on hole number 18, which is very possible. We will give ourselves a good shot at it, but it's not the easiest shot in the world, or a high percentage shot. But we are going to be going for albatross on the last hole. Birdie. The mummy ball. this is definitely a hole where a special ball like that comes into play. When you're on these holes, you've got uphill headwind. It's so easy for the headwind to push you back just a little bit, and a hole like this is very dangerous. So when you're using those special balls, you got to be really selective about when you use them. And I typically will only pop them out on the weekend round. And I try and stay in the same power as what I've been using, so that I'm not adding a new dimension into it. I'm just trying to cut down the wind. All right. That was hole number 17 of the weekend round of the Voyager tournament.